GRRR stock is in a strong medium-term trend. The stock has been trending of late. So the company specializes in delivering AI-driven IIoT solutions with a strong emphasis on security convergence, network defense, video analytics, and big data analytics. And it's based in the UK. So if you come and see what's going on right now in this pre-market session, it is up 6.3%. Yesterday, there was an indication that it says here that the stock has it has a is on it jumps on a $1.8 billion Thailand energy deal. Okay, yeah. And then if you come back to what's going on with the stock, as I mentioned, up 6.3%. I think this is the pre-market session, or the pre-market session hasn't opened yet, but I think in the post-market session of yesterday, the 4th of March, it closed at it gained 6.3%. So I think the pre-market session opens here, so it's up around 6%. Not it's just not that active. So this is that medium term bullish trend I was talking about. This is its 4 hour chart. If you have a look at its daily chart, you see what not strongly emphasized there, since this is a okay, yes, pretty much bold enough, yeah. So this is its daily chart. You can see that the same thing is pretty much what applies on the 4 hour chart. Medium term trend is bullish. Began sometime in October of last year. We've seen it print higher highs, and it's I think it's 21 day moving average is a primary demand line. We've seen it print on those 3 times. I see one, two, three times. Probably the first one was sometime in the 10th of January of this year. Second time again was for 4th of February. And then we have 25th of February. But in the case of the 4th of February, it was actually the 10 and 21, the 10, 21, and 40 day moving averages were all converged, and it printed there. Actually, that of the that of the 10th of January is actually, it's still very much technically still the 20, still referring to the 21 day moving average. It doesn't have to be like absolutely right on it, just within a certain deviation from it. But you could say it's more of the 40 day moving average. But I still maintain that it's still that the 21 day moving average is still very much part of it's what's going on. It's just clearly pronounced as of February the 25th. And we have upper projections on this daily chart. We have 42.36. Above that, we have 50.85. We have 56.39. No downward projections. There were downward projections when it was when there was weakness. We had downward projections all the way down to some really negative figures there. We have very negative there, 1.03, and it didn't print. So it consolidated for a very long time. We've consolidated for over a period of this is January, middle of January last year. Almost the entirety of 2024, it was totally missing in action. The stock has a history of spikes and huge corrections. Maybe they may have changed things a bit. They may have. But you still have to be careful as well. Just just be really cautious as well. But regardless, it's been trending, and it's market participants. That make stocks, not the fundamentals. The fundamentals can be good, and if nobody decides to buy it, then it's not anything. Okay, so this is the 4 hour chart. The same thing we saw there, but more a lot bolder. For some reason, yes. Here we don't have any upper projections. We just have downward projections. We have for 34.9. We have 32.6. We have 26.35. We have 20.69. Below its 200 period moving average, we have 17.19. So since we don't have any upper projections, we can compute in a very something for the short term. We take 34.94, that's so 33.94, and we subtract 30.8 from it. We have 3.14 multiplied by 1.618. We have 5.08. Add that to the current price of 40.54. Okay. We have, let's see. We have 45.62. 45.62 is something that it can print in the very short term. Let's come back to the daily chart and see if 45.62 is one of the upper projections we have there. Let's see. Let's see here. We have 42 dollars. We have 50.85. So it's not part of it. 56.02. So let's quickly move on to the 3 hour chart and see. Let's see. Okay, we have no upper projections visible. There are upper projections, but we can't see them unless I find a way to see what's happening up there. You know, which can be which can affect the chart. Let's see, downward projection of 34.9, the 29.37. Yeah, let's have a look at the 2 hour chart and see what's going on. 2 hour chart, let's see, no upper projections, downward projection of 34.63, that 29.66. So let's look at the 1 hour chart and see what's going on. Yeah, 1 hour chart extrapolation is indicating that there might be some contraction as things stand right now. There's been a volatile expansion of late on, especially on this 1 hour chart. Let's look at the minute charts. Not that it's going to be of much use to you. Okay, yeah, we've seen some cool off. We've seen it cool off from the highs of 41.61. Yeah, 5.9. So this is the pre-market session. It's trading right now. So yeah, so the stock is trending. There's this $1.8 billion deal in with Thailand or something like that. Yeah, we can just quickly have a look and see what's in there. Let's see what we have. Shares of Gorilla Technology Group hit 52-week high after the company signed a $1.8 billion deal to lead energy digitization and infrastructure overhauls in Thailand. The stock had jumped 28% to a high of 38.88 in early trading. Shares were trading at around 8.84 this time a year ago. Software company said before the opening bell that it will lead a 15-year initiative to reshape Thailand's electricity ecosystem and modernize power distribution. The initiative is designed to scale progressively, and revenue is expected to scale as well, with a ramp up in 2026 and 2027 as full operations begin. Okay, yeah. Yeah, so see what you make of GRRR stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.